If you are a fan of cheese and bread and you like making cheese on toast, then this will change the way you look at cheese on toast. We're making Brazilian cheese bread. For this recipe you will need a food processor, a large muffin baking tray, or one of those rubber mats that's suitable for the oven. As for the ingredient, the star of the show is the tapioca flour. For the dry ingredients, you will need 3 cups of tapioca flour, which is about 350 grams. For the cheese, you can use any cheese you like. I used Mexican style cheese, about 1 cup, which is roughly about 100 grams. For the wet ingredients, we will add about half a cup of olive oil, which is about 100 grams. You can use neutral oil like sunflower or canola oil if you like. I like using olive oil because it gives a nice flavor to the bread. Then we're gonna add 2 eggs, and about a teaspoon of salt. Finally, 1 cup of whole fat milk, which is roughly about 250 mils. Mix all those ingredients together. After about a minute and a half of pulsing and mixing, this is what your batter will look like. You might be worried about using it since it looks very liquidy and runny. Don't worry, it will turn out perfectly. Let's get back to the muffin tray. Spray it with some non-stick oil. Pour your batter 3/4 of the way up. Don't fill it to the top, since it will rise. And it will rise without using baking powder. Clean any mess you made. Into the oven it goes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven. They are ready once they rise and brown at the top. This is the result. They are so easy to make, and they are a good alternative from cheese on toast to dip in with your tomato soup. Try it and let me know how it goes in the comment. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. And if you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos with your friends who likes tomato soup and cheese on toast.